So nekken het in de big room and check it down with Gino. Ni hen striptease Nula ni hona in an kid striptease so we got on the kid town. We wouldn't get the quiddy counter the browsers to mesh to regulation and kid striptease so he can really that. I'm here down at Oiríon and Darragh. So we were at the beach last night and we had a wonderful session with Caoimh the Valleyish from Cork, who was showing us the dark skies and we're looking at Jupiter. And a couple of years ago I was in Ballyferriter and walking to the pub actually, and it was beautiful. It was January night and there was loads of stars, and we saw Oiríon, that constellation. And the name for Oiríon in Irish is Darragh. That's one of the names for it anyway. And in Corkabina there's a little cove there called Caoimh, which is Brandon Creek, where St. Brendan is said to sail from Caoimh. And the story about Brandon Creek anyway that was collected from Peg's Hairs, or one of them anyway, is about this man who was born, or this woman who lived there in Croshmore, and she was married to the local Taoiseach. And she one day went down to the beach and went swimming, and when she was swimming there was a bit of a shadow in the water beside her, and she got a fright and went out of the water and kind of collapsed on the beach, and she went home, and then 9 months later she had a child, and it was a very big child. And he was very strong and healthy, and he grew up, and he was great in every way. But there was one thing kind of different about him: he couldn't fall asleep. He never slept, and this kind of bothered him that he was a bit different. And his father died anyway, and he inherited it, and he had the land and he had the house, but he wasn't happy because he was a bit different. And so Scéal Bocht came one day to dinner, and he asked him he sent out all the servants, and he asked the Scéal Bocht, "Can you figure out what's the problem with me?" And he went looking in his books anyway, and he found a reference in the books to this group of mermaid people beneath the sea who didn't sleep. And so he went to his mother then, and he found out that was the story, and he got up the following morning, he went out to Caoimh, he swam out to sea, and as he was going out, a man appeared out of the water, welcoming him home. Aww. So his name was Darragh, and it's called Caoimh, but there's the Darragh, the constellation in the sky. And that was a story from Peg's Hairs. So I read the poem anyway, enough talk. Oiríon. And then the first bit is just a quote from the story by Peg. This is it. Bhí an tig agus an áitig a féin an son, ach má bhí ní raibh sé sásta. Bhís aige gur bhfuil éigean dúnis ciún leis, sé sin mar a bhéidir ba titil ba chola. Vesas riamh go raibh stóranta, at de frúid a dúin. Cé gur dhéchas a margach néan, is go duithe chorún mo huan. Mar a bunan is an Darragh, ná chud lóchas títhe nó sló. Rud a dágé céapatha cráite, gan sólás, gan suinas, gan só. Ní fallár lugar chuig ma bháthir lá a snáb a luchan sa chuas. Gur profachaí is gur chodal sí, is gur bhuascail sí an dhéas an suas. Agus tuchaigh an lá go raid a snáb, amach chun ma bhaile fóhín. Ach idir gáilín fíocha na stíthe ar an spéir, ar an Darragh is ar an chiamh.